try these amazing frames in Canva for your photo editing or any design. So first of all, go to canva.com, then click on custom size, or you can even use your existing projects from here. I am selecting custom size, and then I am selecting 1080 by 1080 pixels. You can even choose any size for your project. After loading the page, first go to elements, then click on frames, then type abstract frame cutout, then hit enter. Then you will see here a lot of advanced frames. So I am adding this frame, and then add a page, then I'm trying another one, and then add new page. I am trying, let's say this. After that, lastly, I will go for this frame. Then upload your images. Here I am uploading my images, like I am uploading couple of my images from my computer. Then I am trying one by one on this frame. So drag and drop here, then try out the second frame. Let's say I'm trying this image. You can even adjust the image size and position by double click here on the frame. Then I am trying for this image. Lastly, I am trying this. Okay, so look how amazing these frames are. So if you like this short tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.